Hi sir, I'm Saif Khan. I'm the Managing Director and CEO for BSH Home Appliances in India, live from the Siemens Experience Centre in Mumbai. What makes Siemens stand out is the combination of both technology along with simplicity. The appliances are designed not for complexity, but rather than making everyday living joyful and simple. At the same time, providing all the modern facilities for connectivity, convenience, and of course, taste. The everyday life chores, the way people are going about it is also very different. There was a pre-COVID era, there is a post-COVID era, where cooking is considered not a daily chore, but an enjoyable experience where the kitchen has become the social contact point for a lot of families to come in. People enjoy cooking. Laundry is considered again from a very different perspective, and that's where Siemens comes in with its appliances that, the wash effect, the quality of the wash, the convenience of the wash is meant to also show warmth and love towards one's family, rather than it just being laundry being done as laundry. Similarly for cooking and cooling as well, the food habits have changed, the culinary habits have changed. People enjoy cooking more, experimenting more, and this is where Siemens appliances brings a lot of intuitiveness in the design of the product, as well as the constant functionality that it brings in terms of allowing experimentation. The appliances that we develop also bring a lot of empathy around with them. In the sense that if you take the Siemens coffee machines, it gives you a personal brew at the time that you want it through the Home Connect app. Similarly with the cooking appliances, so we are not intending to just gather intelligence, but gather intelligence in the result of giving people a personalization. Because everybody wants their coffee done a certain way, would want their pizzas and cakes done a different way, would want their ice creams or vegetables or food chilled in a different way. And that's where our intelligence, which is incorporated in those appliances, gives a more personalized effect. And you could get up at 6 in the morning and have your coffee brewed ready through the Home Connect app the way you want it. Across 30 flavors that are available in the coffee machine, you can personalize anything, whether it is a cold brew, whether it is a cortado, whether it is a cappuccino. So every individual gets what they want, tailored in the way that they want. And that's what the machines or the appliances are learning from the daily use of the individual. So Siemens is just not an appliance company. It is considered a company that does design innovation, and many world's first in terms of innovation that have been developed looking at the cooking habits or the washing habits of people in their day-to-day life. For example, the Siemens hoods, they are able to automatically analyze the fume quality or the smoke quality, switch on, switch off. There is a holiday mode as well, where even if no one's at home, you can actually set up a timer where the hood starts, cleans the air to a certain extent, and then offs it by itself. Similarly, in washing, you have intelligent dosing, which is going more towards sustainability. Not only water efficiency, but also saving up on detergent, precisely monitoring the use of detergent that is needed for the level of soiling that is there in the laundries. Similarly with cooling, AI plays a big part over there, in the sense that it can sense the temperature outside and then alternate it inside the refrigerator so that your food is not overcooled or done the other way around. So I would pick the Siemens coffee machine for the very fact that it allows a very, very high level of personalization for coffee, which is personal for many consumers as it is. That it allows 30 plus coffee types to be delivered from the same machine with the level of temperature and grinding that would suit a personal taste for any consumer. So this is by far my favorite product, yeah, and very clearly shows that Siemens does make intelligent appliances, makes appliances that are easy to use, customizable, and tuned to the preference of the consumer. With a legacy globally since 1906, when Siemens developed the first cooking appliance, and being here in India for 3 decades, Siemens has effortlessly blended into the architectural ambitions of most architects, blended into the home architecture. It's just not appliances, it is appliances that perfectly fit into the modular scheme of your homes and kitchens, and hence architects prefer the brand. If we take, for example, the box hoods, it is inspired from the New York City skyline, which is a perfect example of how Siemens' design philosophy resonates with the architectural community.